Introducing the CPM-100HG5 from Lighthouse, a multicolour print and cut system giving you complete control and flexibility when creating bespoke signs and labels in-house. The beautifully engineered desktop system saves time and money by enabling you to print scratch, rub and UV-resistant labels and signs on demand for a huge variety of applications, including product marking, health and safety, visual management, and rating plates. Through our tried and tested extremely versatile Windows software, you can design labels easily, incorporating logos, barcodes, databases, and over 3,800 symbols from the built-in library. The CPM-100HG5 model also boasts a 400 dpi printhead, producing stunning edgeline detail for small intricate graphics. Full color printing, network printing capabilities, unique refillable RFID ribbon cartridges avoiding recycling and wastage issues, a huge range of consumable options to meet a myriad of applications, all manufactured by Lighthouse. The CPM range from Lighthouse, Europe's #1 print and cut systems. Contact us for further information or to arrange a demonstration.